Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So today I've come with another video that is on topic combination of capacitor, and surely you will get a 3 marks question on this topic. So combination of capacitor in the sense, here we are considering one or more capacitors. Okay, when they are connected to each other, there are two ways to connect them. Okay, one is series combination and another one is parallel combination. So what happens if you connect them in a series and in a parallel combination, that we are going to study in this topic, right? So combination of capacitor in the sense, you are combining one or more, ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು capacitors ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. It might be n number of capacitors you can connect, right? So this is called as combination of capacitor. So I told you there are two ways. One way is parallel and other way is series combination. Now what if we connect series or in a parallel? We are going to see it by deriving the expression. Okay, so let's get started. So there are two modes I told you. One is series and parallel. So first mode we will study. What is series combination? So first one is right, Papa. Series combination of capacitors. Okay. So here I'll consider two capacitors which are connected in series. So what do you mean by series connection? Series connection in the sense end to end connection. So series connection means end to end connection. Means you are connecting one end of the capacitor to the other end of the capacitor, and remaining two ends you are connecting to a battery. Okay. So how the capacitor is represented? Okay. So there is a symbol to represent a capacitor, that is, this is that symbol. Two parallel lines. And okay, so C. What C represents? C represents capacitance of a capacitor. Okay, so C, you have to put them two parallel. If suppose some students I have seen in the examination that capacitor gu kuda avaru hige ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, this is wrong. This is the symbol for battery. So if you are drawing this for capacitor, then you will lose your marks definitely. Okay, then what is series combination? It's the end to end connection. Okay, here you can consider two or more than that. Okay, more than two capacitors you can connect. So we'll start. Assume that these are the two capacitors having capacitance C1 and C2. These two are connected like this, end to end connection. So this is series. If you are connecting one end of the capacitor to another end of the capacitor, then this is a series combination, we can say. Now the other end of this plate or capacitor is connected to the battery. Right, so this is connected to the battery and there will be a potential difference, right? Now this plate of this capacitor, let us assume this is positively charged, this is negatively charged, this is positively charged and this is negatively charged. So this is our series combination. What happens when you are connecting two capacitors in series? What happens here is, here first thing, charges remains same. Charges remains same on both the capacitor. Charge remains same, that is Q. Okay, Q irutte. And ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, potential difference you will see across each capacitor. ಇಲ್ಲಿದು potential difference ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದು potential difference ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See students, one thing you remember, that capacitance do not depend upon charge or potential difference. It only depends upon the dimensions and the nature of material or the medium what is placed between the two capacitor. Okay, so second thing what happens, that potential difference gets divided. into V1 and V2. So across this capacitor the potential is V1, potential difference is V1, across this it is V2. Okay, that's clear. So this is series combination. Now we will derive the expression for series combination. The expression for what? Expression for effective capacitance. Now what we are deriving? We are deriving effective capacitance. Okay. So what do you mean by effective capacitance? Effective capacitance ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ equivalent capacitance ಅಂತನೂ ಕರಿಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. equivalent capacitance ಅಂತನೂ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ನ ನೀವು ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? that would be equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the capacitance of individual capacitor. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ನೀವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟನ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಕ್ವಿವಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನೌ I'll draw here. So this is one capacitor which is having capacitance CS. Why I am writing CS? Because this is series combination and this CS will give you what? Effective capacitance. Means sum of reciprocal of these two capacitors. We will derive that. So this is the battery having potential V. Okay, so that means what I need to say is if one or two capacitors are connected in series, that two capacitors will behave like one single capacitor and that we will get their effective capacitance. Okay, so this is the diagram you are going to use. Now we shall derive. So in series combination what we have seen, that Q is same, V divides, isn't it? So V divides means, can I get total potential difference? Total potential difference, can I write V equal to V1 plus V2? Agree with this? Yes. But what is the capacitance definition we have here? What is capacitance definition we are having here? That C equals to Q by V, isn't it? So from this expression can I get V1 and V2 value? Exactly. This implies that V1 equal to Q by C1. Clear? This is for first capacitor, and for second capacitor what is V2? V2 equals to Q by C2. Agree with this? Okay, this is for first capacitor potential difference, this is for second capacitor, right? This is by a basic definition we have done. I'll take it as equation 1 and these two I'll take it as equation number 2. Okay, fine. Now can I put these two equations V1 and V2 values in equation 1? So put 2 in. This is a very simple derivation. I can say V equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2. Therefore V equal to Q, I can take it as common. I have left with 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay. Now if I'll write here, I hope you can observe it. Yes, if CS is the equivalent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ effective ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, equivalent capacitance of series combination, okay, then what will be CS equals to Q by V, isn't it? This total V, this V is what? V1 plus V2. I hope you can understand this. So what I told you, if two or more capacitors are joined or connected, then you will get one single capacitor. They will behave like one single capacitor, and that one single capacitor will have a capacitance which we call it as equivalent capacitance. So this is Cs and this is V. What is this V? This is V is nothing but V1 plus V2. Okay, that is difference, right? So this equation, can I put in equation number 3? Put this. From this I can get V. Therefore V equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Q by Cs, right? So I'll take this as 4. Okay, so equation 4. So now I'll put equation 4 in 3. So therefore what you get? Q by Cs equals to Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Clear? Q goes off, so you're left with 1 by Cs equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay, so how you are getting this? This is nothing but Cs. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Cs, effective capacitance of series ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, equivalent capacitance of series combination. What is that? This is already, it is reciprocal here. You can say the reciprocal of the equivalent capacitance of the series combination of a number of capacitors. You have two numbers over here, is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of the capacitance of individual capacitor. Okay, so you bare erade tagoboda illa, you can take more number of, like n number of capacitors you can take, and you can find this expression. See, if we have like capacitance, we have like C1, C2, C3, so on up till Cn, then what will be the equivalent capacitance? This is the final result I am saying. Then the equivalent capacitance of series combination is 1 by Cs equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3, so on up till 1 by Cn. Suppose in examination they ask you to connect 3 capacitors, then the same derivation goes on. Okay, I hope you understood this. So here you may get 1 marks question also, to define equivalent capacitance of a series combination anta kelbodu. You can just write this expression, or you can just write the definition also. Okay, so that's all in today's video. Then I'll come up with another video that is on the parallel combination of capacitors. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, all my videos. Thank you so much for such a great love. Thank you, keep watching.